Long nose versus cab over. What are the pros and cons of both types of trucks? In this video, you will discover things you never knew before. Stay tuned to find out. Let us know in the comments what type of transport you prefer. LN for long nose and CO for cab over. And can we get 5,000 likes for supporting our channel? Let's start with the obvious, the visual differences. Cab over trucks have a flat front design with the cab sitting directly above the engine. This gives them a compact, boxy appearance. They're popular in Europe, Asia, and urban areas in the US because of their shorter length, making them perfect for navigating tight city streets or restricted spaces. On the other hand, long-nosed trucks, also known as conventional trucks, have an extended hood housing the engine. These trucks are synonymous with the open highways of the United States, giving off a classic, powerful look. That extended nose isn't just for show, it plays a key role in performance, safety, and driver comfort, as we'll discuss later. For drivers who spend countless hours on the road, comfort is non-negotiable. In this area, long-nosed trucks often have the upper hand. With more space to work with, these trucks feature spacious cabins, larger sleeping areas, and even luxury amenities. Imagine having enough room to stand, stretch, or even set up a mini kitchen in your truck. Long-nosed designs make it possible. Cab-over trucks, while efficient with space, can feel more cramped. European and Asian drivers often sacrifice cabin comfort for the practicality of a smaller truck. While modern cab-overs have improved, offering better sleeping bunks and amenities, they still lag behind long-nosed trucks in sheer roominess. When it comes to seeing the road ahead, cab-over trucks take the lead. Sitting directly above the engine gives drivers a higher vantage point, reducing blind spots and improving visibility in tight spaces. This is crucial for urban driving or tricky maneuvers like reversing into narrow docks. Long-nosed trucks, while iconic, can have larger blind spots due to the extended hood. However, advancements in technology, such as cameras and sensors, are closing the gap. Additionally, the long nose offers a safety advantage in collisions, providing a crumple zone to absorb impact and protect the driver. Here's where things get interesting. Cab-over trucks feature a tilting cab, making engine access a breeze for daily checks and repairs. Mechanics can easily get to the engine without crawling under the truck, saving time and effort. Long-nosed trucks, on the other hand, require the hood to be lifted, which can sometimes be cumbersome. However, the extra space around the engine often makes repairs simpler once access is gained. In regions like the US, where trucks are often maintained over longer intervals, this isn't as big of an issue as it might be for European operators. Fuel economy is a critical factor for any truck operator, and aerodynamics plays a major role. Surprisingly, modern cab-over trucks have closed the gap with their long-nosed counterparts, featuring sleek designs that minimize wind resistance. However, long-nosed trucks still tend to be slightly more aerodynamic on highways, especially at higher speeds. This advantage contributes to their popularity on long-haul routes. In the US, fuel efficiency, though, is also heavily influenced by the truck's engine and load, meaning the design alone isn't the sole factor. When it comes to tight spaces, cab-over trucks reign supreme. Their shorter wheelbase allows for sharper turns, making them ideal for urban environments, warehouses, and loading docks. Garbage trucks, delivery vehicles, and urban freight haulers often use cab-over designs for this reason. Long-nosed trucks struggle in tight corners due to their larger turning radius. However, for open highways and rural areas, maneuverability isn't as crucial, allowing these trucks to shine where space isn't a concern. Truck length laws vary widely across countries, and this greatly influences the design choices. In Europe, strict length regulations limit the overall truck and trailer combination. This makes cab-over trucks a necessity, as their compact design allows for more cargo space. In the US, length restrictions focus on the trailer rather than the truck, giving long-nosed designs the freedom to thrive. This flexibility also benefits Australian truckers, where a mix of both designs is common, depending on the type of freight and road conditions. Australia's scorching outback presents unique challenges for trucks. Heat management becomes a critical factor, especially for engine cooling and cabin comfort. Long-nosed trucks with their larger engine compartments often perform better in extreme heat, as the engine has more room to dissipate heat effectively. Cabover trucks with their compact engine placement can struggle in these conditions. However, advancements in cooling systems have made modern cabovers more capable than their predecessors. If you've ever driven a cabover truck, you know the ride can be rough, especially on bumpy roads. Sitting directly above the front axle means drivers feel every jolt and bump. This can lead to fatigue over long hauls, making it less appealing for extended routes. Long-nosed trucks with their extended wheelbase offer a smoother ride. The extra length acts as a buffer, reducing vibrations and improving overall comfort. For drivers tackling cross-country journeys, this makes a world of difference. Let's talk money. Long-nosed trucks often come with a higher upfront cost thanks to their larger size and additional features. However, their resale value tends to hold up better in regions like the US and Australia, where they dominate the market. Cabover trucks are typically more affordable initially, making them a practical choice for operators with tight budgets. Maintenance costs can also be lower due to their simpler design and easier engine access. That said, resale value can be a challenge in regions where long-nosed designs are more popular. The answer depends on where you are and what you need the truck for. In urban environments or regions with strict length laws, cabover trucks are the clear winner. Their compact design, superior maneuverability, and cost-effectiveness make them the go-to choice. However, for long-haul routes, extreme heat, and maximum comfort, long-nosed trucks take the crown. Their spacious cabins, smoother ride, and better heat management make them ideal for tackling vast distances in rugged conditions. No matter which side you're on, one thing's for sure: both cabover and long-nosed trucks have earned their place on the road. What do you think? Which design do you prefer and why? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into truck designs, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.